Hi, this is a quick demo of Tupple Pattern Matching in C#8 and I guess .NET Core 3. So I'm just going to do a real quick demo, run through that so you can see how it works. I'm going to create a new executable. We'll just call it Tupple Pattern Matching. It is .NET 6. It's fine. Let's create it. Wait for Visual Studio. Okay. And I'm just going to use an example straight from Microsoft's documentation because it's such a good example here. We've got a method that takes two parameters for second string, and what it's doing is it's got a switch statement, and it is it's constructing this tuple type out of the two parameters here, and then it's doing comparison of the truth table here and yielding the winner out of each one of these. My 5-year-old son would love this game. So let's give it a try and see what happens. Rock and paper. Let's give it a go. Paper wins. Okay, so you can see it's constructing, each one of these tuples for the comparison. We could even do something a little more fancy and say enum rock paper scissors and have a rock paper scissors and use that as the comparison here. And we could I'm not going to do all of that, it's just the one. Say rock paper scissors rock and paper wins. And so rock and paper. So now it's type save. Let's give it a try. Paper wins. So that's the quick demo. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you.